Alright, so let's figure out OBS. Just change some things around my XSplit here real quick. So I use XSplit. A lot of people are using OBS because OBS is free, and they're having some issues with OBS catching DayZ, making it work. So right here you see I just downloaded software version 0.65 Bravo OBS finish. Alright, so OBS opens up here. My main goal here is to get DayZ to stream, not necessarily to go through every single aspect of Open Broadcaster, but we'll see what happens. So right over here we got our scene number. What I would do is I would go through and set up my settings first. So in general, if I remember correctly, so not a horrible idea to name your settings, so I'll just name this one DayZ Streaming, because I stream a lot of other videos as well and make different processes. I'll just call this OBS process 0.65 Bravo. Alright, add that. It's in our drop down list now. Sounds good. Minimize, blah blah blah. Enable cursor over projector, yes. Show log windows on OBS launch, no thanks. Then I'm going to go to encoding. Max bit rate. Typically you want your max bit rate between 2200 to 2800. There's different articles on that, but let's just go low because I know a lot of you might be using some interesting PC setups that might be an i5 core, i7 core, plus your upload download speed's different. But what this enables is it enables you to reach your maximum audience in regards to your iPhones, tablets, all that good stuff. Don't mess with the codec stuff. Most of this is for advanced users type stuff, so I always hit apply just to make sure it takes. Okay. Mode, you can go to live stream, custom stream service. Most of us are probably going to be choosing Twitch, and there we go, there's Twitch. And then choose your closest location. I'm actually US Central is my closest, so I'll choose Dallas there. I would put in my stream key here, and I'm definitely not going to show you guys my stream key. Never give your stream key away to people, never broadcast it, that kind of stuff. So what I'll do is, all I'm going to do is go to Twitch, TV, sign in, go to, once I am signed in, go to my profile, and it might actually be under settings, not profile. Excuse me one second. Bless me, sorry about that. And indeed, it's under settings. So what I'm going to do is go to my channel, go to settings, and then I'm going to go to, is it security and privacy, connections maybe? Let me see. I will confirm it once I actually figure it out for y'all. Nope, connections are just your YouTube stuff and all that hoo-ha. There's my profile stuff. Nope. Turbo, nope. Security and privacy, I don't know about if it's here or not. That's just password stuff. Subscriptions, no. Alright, where's it at? My stream key. And again, you could we'll actually show how to do this. So let me drag this over. So just so y'all know, you go to Twitch, you go to more than likely settings, but let's try our dashboard. There we go. You go to dashboard, you get this dashboard view, which I hardly ever use. Hey Viking, what up, dude? And then you click on stream key, and right here it'll tell you anyone can use this key to broadcast your channel, so don't show it on a video. So that's why I'm not going to on this video. But in order to get to it again, you go to your name, go to your dashboard, go to stream key, Now I'm going to drag this off over here. Click on show key. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Give me 1 second here. There we go. Hit apply so it just saves in there. Give me 1 second. Alright, so then you get an auto reconnect. You know, if your derpy internet fails or whatever, this will kick off your stream, obviously, if your internet goes down. So then this will try to auto reconnect in 10 seconds, and it'll stop after 10 seconds, all that good stuff. Let's see, you can choose where you want your file path to go. Usually you want to make sure that you send this to somewhere that it's not going to clog up your C drive. So for instance, I have an E drive, an F drive, several other shared drives. Maybe you guys only have one. Just choose somewhere where it's not going to clog it up, because this is where OBS is going to record to if you hit the record button. Alright, don't care about this stuff right now. Okay. Your OBS settings are not optimized for Twitch use. Please set the following video settings. So if I go to video, set base resolution to aspect ratio 16:9. Okay, sounds good. Advanced settings, recommend the X264 encoding profile. Okay, thanks for that. So what we'll do is we'll come back to broadcast settings and make sure these red messages clear for broadcasting and Twitch. And again, this video is more for broadcasting DayZ alone. So it told me to go to video. Yeah, go ahead and save. So your OBS settings are not optimized. So the video one cleared. So now if I go to advanced settings and I hit the X264, okay, sounds good. Hit apply or okay. Go back to broadcast settings. Is main for this service. Okay, so make sure that this is set to main right there. That's what they wanted. Hit apply, go back, see that's cleared. Advanced settings, set keyframe interval of 2 seconds. Okay, sure. Keyframe interval 2 seconds. Check. Checks that. Hit apply. Go back to broadcast settings. Everything is cleared now as far as red goes. Hi, by the way, Tyler, how you doing? Hey, Viking, what's up? And Viking, let me actually get you that. You know what? The link is actually down below on my Twitch page to our server stuff, but I will copy and paste it for you real quick. Huh, I thought it was. Put my foot in mouth. Okay. Go to my DayZ. So what I'm doing now is I have my own server on DayZ, and I have someone want to apply, so I have my Nightbot working, nice little command, tell them where to go to apply. But Nightbot's being a little biatch right now, so okay. There we go. Alright, so next I go to video, 1920 by 1080, good to go. Make sure you choose your graphics card. You can see my graphics card's a big old potato, but that's okay. Frames per second, 30. You don't really want to go below that. Most people can't go below or above that, depending. 30 is good. 60 is ideal, but when you're playing a game like DayZ, 30 is a good benchmark to start at. Let's see. Microphone. I'm going to choose my microphone. I got a AT2020 USB Plus. Auxiliary device. Let's just choose default there. Hit apply. Okay. Hotkeys. I don't mess with this too much, but I do set my hotkeys, and this is my preference only. I usually do start recording as on my number key pad is the delete button, and my number keypad must not be activated. There we go. Stop recording. I usually choose like the multiplication key on my number keypad, and good to go. Alright. Start stream is an important one. I usually choose like a number 5 because that's not used in the DayZ game. Stop stream, we'll choose the / mark. These are just things that I can remember because I've used them before. Go into my advanced, blah blah blah. Just choose all this stuff as normal for now. Very fast is fine, but you can go down, up, whichever. Do. Warning, changing. No, I don't want to change that. Must have done some kind of scroll thing there. Hit apply. Quick sync encoder, not gonna mess with. Target kilobytes per second though. Yeah, don't worry about that. Browser, microphone noise gate. Not gonna mess with this. Enable preview. So right here you can adjust your threshold for your noise gate here. Test 1 2 1 2. Test. So again, there's more advanced tutorials on how to do that. Don't use me as your tutorial for that. And then I go to scene switcher. I'm not gonna do any of this stuff right now, so let's just hit OK. Alright, so now you see OBS is up and running, haha. So I'm gonna stop my preview. Sometimes when people mess up their audio too, all they're doing is they drag that over and all of a sudden their audio goes away. Make sure these are activated for what you need. Scenes. I'm gonna say add scene. I'm gonna call this scene DayZ main scene. Hit OK. And then sources. I'm gonna add a source. We're gonna add a window capture, video capture, game capture. Let's click on there. We'll just call this DayZ. Hit OK. So the application is DayZ, which is what I'm running in the background right now. Stretch image to screen. Sure, why not? No, I won't do that. Let's just leave it in its native. Invert anti-cheat compatibility. A lot of people are saying make sure this is checked or unchecked, but we're gonna test it here. You're only supposed to use it if necessary. So right now I'm just gonna leave it unchecked. Hit OK. Then what I'll do is I will click on start streaming, which might screw up my Twitch feed currently, but hopefully it doesn't. Let me stop streaming. I should have actually done preview stream. You always want to preview before you go live. And as you can all tell, are we live? I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to bring up my DayZ and my main menu because I'm using 2 monitors and see if it comes up in my OBS. And from what I can tell, I don't believe it did. Let me stop preview again. Start preview. Preview section. Go here. Okay. Looks like it's not working right now, so let me right click and go to properties. Here, I'll drag this back on so you can all see. So let's try this anti-cheat thing, if this is what's causing it or not. Click there, anti-cheat, hit OK. Hit stop preview. When in doubt, always stop preview, start preview again. I'm going to preview my stream. Dragging OBS to my second monitor, bringing DayZ up. And it works. So there you go, folks. That is exactly how you stream DayZ, and as you can see, it's working right there. So from here, you could just simply go to start or stop preview, start streaming, and you should be good to go. So I hope this helps everybody. Again, this is using version 0.65 Bravo, which is the latest OBS. It should be. And the whole trick to this is making sure when you add this scene, go to properties, make sure you're on your game, make sure your game is open, click on the game, and then click on the anti-cheat compatibility hooking and that is necessary. So there you go. So hopefully that helps people out, and the only reason it went away is because I dropped my DayZ off my primary monitor here. But for instance, I'm going to go to my favorites list and just highlight my server, and I'll drag that back over in the OBS preview, and you can see it's highlighted right here. If you guys want to know some more things on setting up OBS, let me know, such as, you know, adding other devices like a window capture, images, that kind of stuff. Let's say you wanted an image in your lower left hand corner to cover up the DayZ servers or messages of the day. I'll say message of the day cover up. By the way, Tyler, I'm doing well, thanks for asking. So then I just go find an image, which I have some stock ones here. Got my pictures. It will just arbitrarily choose this one. Hit OK. Then you're going to want to resize that image. So you just go to size, you know, reset size, that kind of stuff, and play around with it. Actually, let's see. Move to top now. You just gotta play.
Beautiful, isn't it? Seeing it all the way out here in the open. It's roaming free, and you're welcome to come along for the ride.
So,
introducing the all-new Kia Sorento, the perfect getaway vehicle.
Let me try reset cropping. Yeah, it's being all derpy now. So this image is way too big. There we go. So you can fit it to the screen, and you know that could be just your switching servers overlay. And then you just click on there, and then you can hotkey it later, all that fun stuff. But anyway, there's a lot of stuff you can do. You can also, of course, add in your video capture device. So if I go here, I'll just hit OK there. I'm going to choose my Logitech C9020. Let's see. I'm going to leave it as default settings right now. And if it doesn't work right away, you just play with it till it does. And if I move this down, let's see, you go to order, you say move down, order, move down. Did that do anything? Nope. What that actually does is keeps DayZ over the top of my image. So for instance, if I have this message of the day clicked, but I happen to move it down, see, DayZ becomes the primary, and I don't want that. I want my overlay to be a primary, so I'll move that up. And then if you want your video capture to always be on, you move that up here. Obviously there's something wrong in my settings, so if I go to settings, configure, it's probably because it's being used by my XSplit already, why I can't use it, is my opinion. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's why. Okay, so anyway, we figured out our main objective. We figured out how to make OBS work with DayZ and the current OBS. So I hope that helps everyone. I'll throw this raw footage up there. If you want something a lot more crisp and clean, let me know. Right now, I'm just putting this out there on my YouTube channel to help people out, though. So I hope that helps everybody out. And for now, I'm gonna kill OBS because I use XSplit now. And then I'm gonna go to my channel here, and I will cut this highlight once I get done doing it, streaming it tonight. So for now though, I might go play a little DayZ depending on who's on. Let's see, not a whole lot of people on.